Hello guys, today I will show you our galactic toys. And my name is Galactic Color. And I'm gonna show you 3, 2, 1. Saturn V, International Space Station, Hubble Space Telescope, Curiosity Rover, and Space Shuttle, and astronaut. And I will show you guys, today's our big day, the solar system. Let me show you guys. The first planet is Mercury, the period of revolution. The period of revolution, 8.770 days. Rotation direction from west to east. Average orbital velocity, 4.89 kilometer per second. Orbital electricity, 0.286. Orbital inclination, 7.70. Planet equatorial radius, 240 kilometers. Next, the second planet and the hottest planet in the solar system, Venus. Period of evolution, 701 days. Rotation direction from east to west. Average orbital
Velocity.
35.3 kilometers per second. Orbital eccentricity, 1.7%. Orbital inclination, 3.395. Equatorial radius, 641 kilometers. Olive home. The Earth. The period of evolution, 355,222 days. Rotation direction west to the east. Average orbital velocity, 30 kilometers per second. Orbital intensity, 1.8. Orbital inclination, 2.21 Celsius. Equatorial gravity, 1. Mars. Period of revolution, 60.98 days. Rotational direction from west to east. Average orbital velocity, 2.2413 kilometers per second. Orbital eccentricity, 0.93. Equatorial radius, 398 kilometers. Jupiter, and the largest planet in the solar system, and the beautiful Jupiter. Revolution orbit, 780,000 kilometers. 5.20 is astronomical unit away from the sun. Rotation direction from the west to east. Planetary diameter, 484,000 kilometers.
How many how many moons have Jupiter has?
97.
Can you name 5 moons?
Almesea, Io, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto.
Wow, very good. What's next?
Saturn, the most moons, 46.
Moons, okay.
Revolution of orbit from the sun, 419,000 million kilometers. 9.4 9.54 astronomical unit. Radiation direction from east west to east. Planetary diameter 1.100 1.366 kilometers.
Mm.
Uranus, the cold. Ay, kasi nga.
Can you name at least 5 moons of Saturn?
Mimas, Enceladus, Rhea, Theseus, Iapetus, and Titan.
What is the largest, what is the biggest moon of
Titan.
Saturn? Titan. Okay. Continue.
Uranus, the coldest planet ever seen. Revolution orbit from the sun, 100,000 kilometers. 19.28 astronomical unit. Rotation direction from east to west. Planetary diameter 5118 kilometers.
How many?
Why is it the coldest planet?
Uranus.
Why?
Because per temperature is Uranus 577 height.
Why is that? What is the composition of that planet?
Because he's the coldest planet.
Why nga coldest planet siya? It is made up of
Ice and rocks.
Made
Jupiter
of?
is called the coldest planet because
Jupiter,
what
Uranus.
Uranus is the coldest planet because
the Uranus coldest because ice and rocks.
Made of?
Ice and rocks. Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system
Because
because
it's made of.
it's made of ice and rocks. Neptune,
Continue.
Neptune, the last planet in the solar system, becoming a rocky orbit. Neptune, revolution of orbit from the sun to 2.11799 200 kilometers. 90.218 astronomical unit. Rotation direction from west to east. Planetary diameter 452 kilometers.
Can you
Okay.
say more about
Our solar system.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Hmm.
The sun. The sun is our star in the center of the solar system. Because of made of gravity is 565 per gravity.
Hmm.
You cannot above a high place of gravity.
Okay.
So you guys don't need to think about it like me.
Okay.
So this is the sun with the light of the earth. Like and subscribe.
Action.
I am Galactic Combat and